Hello, my name is Marc Blatstein. I am the physician founder of Physician Pre-Sentence Report Service. Thank you for listening in. Today, I'm going to review character letter references. Character reference letters are just that. They're letters about your character. And when you speak to individuals that are going to be writing these letters, it's better if you're able to let them know that you're facing a legal sentencing, that you had a felony charge, and that they're aware of that. Next, it's important for them to note the following in the letters. It's not a lot, but to include how long they've known you, what do they think of you? Do they think, are you kind, honest, dependable, a community volunteer? The person you're talking to, they could be a family member, an employer, a religious leader, a teacher, a neighbor, a colleague, another person or group who has known you for a long period of time. If the person is an employer and they know of your legal trouble, but they're still willing to hire you after your release, assuming that you have a general idea with your attorney of an approximate release date. And if it's possible, because your employer is running a business and they may not know, if they have a spot open for you, but if they're willing to put it in writing that they're willing to hire you, that's a great letter. That's a masterclass letter to get. They should also, through all of this, it's going to be humanizing you. And so to summarize, you want to include how long the person has known you. You're not making excuses for you. You don't want them to offer any thoughts on how you should be sentenced. That's up to the judge. The person writing, has to show in the letter that they know that you feel fully responsible, that you'd like to be able to make things right. You have remorse for what you've done, and you understand that you've caused a tremendous amount of pain among the victims that you've impacted. Possibly, if they're able to provide examples of good deeds that you've done either as a neighbor or a volunteer in the community where you work, something along that lines. Last, you don't want to start this process at the last minute. Right away, you want to start requesting these letters from as many people as possible. At the end, you want a minimum of 10, and then after that, you want to choose the best letters from among them all. Once you have them, don't start giving them to your attorney individually. You want to give them all at once, and if you're going to be emailing them, then emailing them at one time. Otherwise, there's always the possibility they could get lost or misplaced once they land in your attorney's inbox. I hope you found this helpful. I appreciate you taking time from your day to listen to these YouTube and podcasts, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.